Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a page number to a specific page in Word. Let's get started. First, go to the page where you want to start your page number. In this case, I will start on page 3. Then, insert the first sentence of that page to the previous page. It's okay if the previous page doesn't have any space anymore, just proceed to the next step. Going back, make sure that the typewriter thing stays on that page. After that, on the upper toolbar, click on Layout, then choose Breaks, then select Next Page. As you can see, the pages return to their original form. Now, open the footer by double-clicking on it. Then, on the upper toolbar again, click Insert, then click on Page Number. Here, you can choose where to put your page, whether at the top or bottom. Then you can also choose its layout. And you now have your page numbers. Now, go to the page where you want to start numbering. Highlight the page number. Then on the upper ribbon, unselect the link to previous option. Go again to the page numbers and select Format Page Number. After that, click on Start and then press OK. Now you'll see your page number starts at that specific page. For the finishing part, go to the previous pages, then just erase the unwanted page numbers. And that's it. You now have a page number to a specific page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.